Welcome to Diane's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Diane Bertolin of Unimore Capital Corporation, the #1 mortgage choice for homebuyers. Now, here's your money tip.
Okay, today we're going to talk about 3 important steps to take before going home shopping. Buying your first home isn't as simple as visiting a few realtor open houses. What you do before you start shopping can help you ensure you make a decision you can comfortably live with for years. Here are 3 essential steps to take before home shopping. Number 1, start building a better down payment. With today's prices, down payments are climbing. Sure, you can reduce the down payment by using mortgage insurance or a low down payment mortgage, but they add extra cost. In the long run, the higher your down payment, the less total interest you'll pay. So start saving today. Number 2, start raising your credit score. Your credit score determines whether you'll get a mortgage and what rate you'll pay. The higher your score, the lower your rate. Now's the time to make sure your credit card balances are paid off every month, reduce unnecessary spending so you're not so close to credit limits, and pay down other consumer loans. Number 3, have a conversation about needs, wants, and practicalities. Sit down with your partner or significant other and start figuring out what you really need, what can you do without, and what you're willing to spend decades paying for. Visit some open houses to see what's out there and how much it costs. Start setting firm guidelines and budgets. As your local mortgage professionals, we can provide no-cost assistance with these 3 steps and help you get pre-approved so you know how much money you have access to when you start shopping. For more information, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Diane's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Diane today at 519-967-1422.